Okay, guys, it's TOKIYO TM again. For those of you who are shouting one time, Sabasaba is here. And hii game ni wanasiasa. Shida yenu ya msikii hata nikawakataza. Huh? Are you people serious that you're going to the street again? After watching what happened the other time. Mwacheni mchezo. If you want to fight this government, just leave the country. Like what Andrew Kibe did the other day in 2020. Did you guys saw that shit? What happened to him? So he had to go back. He had to go away all the way to America to make noise there instead of making it in the country. You understand? So the reason we're losing the disease now is because you're shouting in the country. Just go shout one time while you're outside. These people in Subaru are not joking. They are not joking, my friend. So make sure you have a bulletproof vest and even the bulletproof helmet. I'm not. You will wait for me. You won't see me. There are a lot of content creators I see in the other one, in the other Mandamana, the past one last week. I saw, was it Khaligraph and that guy who I don't know say Arrow, Mr. Michel Arrow boy. I saw them the other day. Na kumbe Khaligraph akona mbio hivyo. It's fine. But it's okay. For those of you who are going for Sabasaba, that's it. You are on your own. Mr. President, emergency. But I'm not supporting something that has no benefit for me. I can't believe the other time you are not talking to Baba, and nowadays you people are together. So meaning, even if I go shout one time in the street, what will happen next if Gachagua or these other politicians come together and join your government? What will that benefit me? So if you are going to the street tomorrow, tafadhali Sabasaba, you are on your own. Tafadhali, don't cry. Because the other time I posted, there's a time I posted a clip. I say, if you want to, what did I say? There's something, producer. There's a clip I posted the other time. I don't think so if you remember. There's a good. There's a clip I posted the other day. Yeah, the other time. Sema. I think I addressed the bloggers at that clip. Nikasema mwanasiasa yoyote akikulipa pesa akasema you have that you have to post something in the media about him or her. Uposte vitu vizuri kumhusu so that he can get the popularity. The popularity, You know 2027 is around. So these people are making campaign. They are busy using the bloggers mostly. So if you as a blogger, any politicians want to use you in your blog posts or those whatever in the media, just forget about it. If he or she pays you to work for him, kindly take the money. Pesa hakuna mtu anakataa. Am I wrong? If you think I'm wrong, then you're right. If you're right, then think I'm wrong. That's it. So, akikupa pesa wewe gonga pesa. Achana na story mingi. So the problem comes in, lazima ukue high every time you meet him. Unajua mtu akilewa vizuri, that's where the points, the points of chorus zinaingia. Akuuliza, I gave you the job the other day to work for me. Are you a blogger? I gave you something. I said you were supposed to work for me on my. You were supposed to upload posts about my latest my latest manifestos that I will leave for people in after 2027 elections. Then so you are there. Make sure you're drunk as the time that guy is asking you that. Kuuliza kwa nini hujanishughulikia, unaambia I'm on it. Na uko hai. Wakati yenye kama hujapiga sherehe ama hujachukua tumbler kwa mkono ukalewa, tafadhali, if you see him or her, run away. Alafu kwa hii game ukijiingiza ndani as a blogger umekula pesa mwanasiasa. Just know that these people, they know what to do. They have all 100 ways of dealing with people like you. So I don't know, sijui utakula hii pesa ukimbilia wapi. Will you run to Uganda or what? Will you? Wakutumie vijana wamejaa kama mimi hivi. Hebu angalieni hizo mikono. Wakutumie vijana wamejaa kama Sabasaba. You didn't upload the post I told you about. What happened? So what will you answer? Mfinyo unaweka kwa Subaru nyuma. So kushwe the whole of Nairobi upelekwe the other place. Yenye alikuwa anasema Juanga alienda. So sorry, you guys didn't do it. Anyway, it's all about the country. No problem with that. But for those of you who are going for Sabasaba, tafadhali. I've tried to say what I was supposed to say, or what I feel I was supposed to say. I'm not giving anybody an advice. As always, I also give options. So I've given 2 options for those of you who are fighting this government currently. It's either you work with the government, you get out of the country, uingize kwa Subaru, or else what else? I think that one is enough. Yeah. So and those influencers, kuna influencers na social media, what and what, they're influencing you people to go in the street tomorrow. Hawa watu wana magari zao, kumbuka. They wako na mabouncer. They got security, their own security. Na security yao inawaangalia hao wenyewe. So you are there, they are there with you in the streets. Just to make you people feel the sympathy they have around you. But in real sense, nyinyi mafans wao, so they have to stay close to you. But the good thing is, wachana na hiyo story. Achana na hiyo story kabisa. Don't go. Ukijipeleka street, shauri yako. They will lie to you, oh, we are fighting for this, we are fighting for this. And I know there's some kuna wanasiasa watatoboka do. Kuna wale waguns. I know there's some who even watalipa goons. There's some whom will even pay the boys. For example, these two campus boys. Some of you are going to be paid. You do kula na adabu, but jua vile utatoroka. Don't go. Hapana kimbilia kitu tu bure. Don't run. Because inapeanwa for free. Wewe kula. Tujakataa kula. But kwenda streets, hapo ndio kitaeleweka. So these people are, and there is also a clip I uploaded the other time. But the few people are the only ones who are always watching. Some of you are not even watching. But you the good thing is I'm uploading this thing for just for fun. I'm not uploading it to make money on it or something. Yes, I'm not uploading it to make money or something. I'm just uploading it for fun. So if it will help somebody out there, that's good. And if it will not, no problem with me. I got no problem with that. Okay? Yes. There's a clip I uploaded. Which clip? I think there's a clip I uploaded the other time. Ongelea tena hiyo story ya these people. The politicians again. I don't think so bad. Sikumbuka, but there's a clip I uploaded the other time. Anyway, Sabasaba is here, my G. You keep on going. Yeah. Feel it. Cut up.